Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we're gonna do some cleaning. Well overdue cleaning. I wanted to do a little intro before I get started, but I will show you this current state of my room, which is a lot embarrassing. So before we get started, today's the day after the 4th of July, so I'm a little tired. We were up really late last night, and then Amelia's dad came to get her early today. They're going to visit some family, so she's going to be traveling with him for a couple days. So I have some downtime. My family is still in town, but they're all going to church this morning, and we're going to go later for games. So I have some time. It's Sunday, so I don't do like a lot of work on my business on Sundays. I stopped listing on Sundays. So basically that means that I have the morning free, and I probably should nap because I am very tired, but instead I want to clean this room. My entire house is a disaster. I do still have Kira and Aubrey and Kira's boyfriend and an extra dog here, an extra pet. So I have a house full, and I know it's pointless for me to try to like deep clean any of the rooms out there because they're just going to get messy again. So I am going to work on here because it is definitely gotten out of control with everything going on, and just, you know, all of the busyness in my life, the traveling, and then family in town and everything. I've let this room go. Also, since my partner moved out, I haven't had a chance to go through and move all the things that I want to move, and, you know, put things where I want them to be now since his stuff is cleared out. Also, you will see me boxing up some things because when he left, he was staying in temporary housing, so he had to leave a lot of stuff here, and I realized after he moved out he didn't really pack it up very well, so he has stuff everywhere in the house, including in my room. So as I come across his things, I'm just going to box them up because I know at a later date when he is able to, he will be probably coming to get those things. So I'm going to box them up and find a closet somewhere that I can store them in until he can get them. So yeah, we got a lot to do. First thing I want to do, I'm going to show you around. Please don't judge me. Life has been hard lately, and I'm doing the best I can to survive. But I think I'm going to feel a lot better. The reason I'm doing this and not just resting, because I am really tired, but I'm going to feel a lot better, and I'll be able to rest easier when I am not surrounded by this mess, because it is starting, the whole house to me is starting to feel claustrophobic, and I'm starting to get really anxious from it. So I know that I need to do this or I'm not going to be able to properly rest anyway. So let's get started. First things first, there are 2 cats in here with me. This is Mochi. We've had Mochi since Alexa was like 6, so a long time. And then Pippin, Pip. He's our new kitty. He is still a kitten. He's not even a year old yet, and he's huge already. I think he's gonna look just like Mochi, but he is kind of a pip. He is, he's a little rambunctious, and he's like, you know, like a teenage boy where he just likes to run around and bug everybody. So he'll attack people's feet. He likes to follow Mochi around and give Mochi a hard time as well. But all right, let me show you the room. Oh, my door is closed, so he's like, please open the door so I can get through here safely. Okay, bye-bye, Mochi. All right, let's go. So there's my door, obviously. Here we go. I still haven't unpacked this bag from my trip. And then, yeah, this is so embarrassing. Just random stuff on the floor. Lots of random things. Here's my tabletop, which I want to organize and dust it and wipe it all down. This is a total disaster as well. That's clean. That's pretty and organized. I love my little crystals and all of that. I bought some sage so I can sage the room as well because, you know, I'm kind of a weirdo a little bit. I'll let you guys know that right now. And I feel like there's bad energy in this room ever since the breakup. So I want to sage in here. I need to wash my bedding, so I'm going to rip this all down and wash everything here. Yeah, and then over here, this mess, oh, let me close my underwear drawer. That's something I don't need to share. This is clean clothes that I brought upstairs to fold and put away, and they ended up on the floor. That box is some of Philip's stuff that I already boxed up. So I just need to clear a pathway here, clean this stuff up. This is basically still empty. I think I put a couple things in here. So this is where all my clothes are gonna go. Unfortunately, I cannot adjust the shelves in here. So I think I'm gonna do jeans here because I don't have a lot of jeans. And then, I don't know, this is such an awkward large space. Maybe I'll get some organizers later, but for now I'll probably put like sweatshirts and heavier items because it's such a large space. That would keep it more organized. And then I can use this drawer here. The bottom, let me close that. The bottom drawer is my underwear, so that's gonna stay there. But the other drawer is empty. That was Philip's drawer, so I'm gonna use that for t-shirts probably. So that's the plan here. And then here's my makeup table. It's not too bad, but you know, a little messy. So I'll clean that up, dust everything there. I got some things randomly in my window seal. Just everything just needs to tidy up. I'll empty my trash under there. Lots of laundry to do. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do laundry today. I have to see the status of the washing machine because people have been using it all week. I'm not gonna touch my bathroom today. That's a project for another day. And then we have the closet. Here's the disaster I showed you guys the other day. This is just random stuff that has fallen down. It's all clean. And then that's basically empty because things keep falling and I just left it there. These are my hanging items. I have room up here, so I'm gonna organize and put some things up there, like my suitcase that is empty, but I haven't put away yet. And then this side, open this side of the closet, this is all Philip's stuff. So there's stuff down here that's his, stuff over here that's his, some stuff up there that's his. So I'm gonna box all that up and get it out of the way so that I can utilize the space for myself. So that's the plan. This is gonna take a while, you guys. This is not like a quick 30-minute tidy. This is probably gonna take me a couple hours. Eventually, I do wanna actually go through my clothing and get rid of stuff as well, but I don't have time to do that today. However, as I'm moving stuff over, if I see something that I'm like, oh yeah, that definitely doesn't fit me anymore because I have gained weight, I'll just toss those things out, but not toss them out, I'll donate them, but I'm not going to go all the way through because there's enough to keep me very busy. Okay, so that's where we're starting from, you guys. Let's get started. I almost don't know where to begin. It's a little overwhelming. I feel a little frozen. I would start with the laundry, but there's laundry downstairs going. So let's just start putting away this pile. I think that's a good starting place. I'm gonna find somewhere to set you guys up so you can see. So I decided to just start with the pile of clean clothes that were right in front of here, and I'm just putting things where I told you I was going to put them. So denim on that bottom shelf there, and then any large sweatshirts on top, and then t-shirts in the drawer. So just going through this quick pile in the front here. And then after I do that, I decided to move the boxes of stuff that belonged to Philip because it was kind of everywhere, and in order for me to get my stuff more organized, I needed that space. So I'm going ahead and filling up these boxes with his stuff, carrying that one out because I filled it up, and then I had to go grab more boxes because there was a lot more stuff than I expected. So I'm going to go ahead and just clear all his stuff out all at once out of the closet here as well. All right, so I thought I would give you an update. I got pretty much his side cleared out. That is his blanket and pillow though. So I'll show you. There was a lot more stuff than I thought in my room. This is everything that was his. So I need to find a place where I can store this. I don't really have one in mind yet, so I got to figure that out. But I'm going to leave that blanket and pillow there for now until I find the place that I want to store stuff because I don't want that to clog up the hallway too much. But I did want to move that stuff at least out of the way so I can start rearranging my things. I have this in here. This is my, what's it called? Filing cabinet. I'm probably going to move it over to this corner where it's easier to get to. It was a very awkward place to get to it. That's where I sort my bills and stuff. But, and my taxes and things like that, all my important documents, it was hard to get to. So I'm going to put it on in this corner. I think it'll be easier, but yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm doing with his stuff first. Anyways, I thought I'd give you guys an update. I moved the pile out here so I could at least open and close the closet door, and I did clear out this side, which was a lot of his stuff. Obviously, I'm gonna need to vacuum pretty good when I'm done. And I got so far my denim and a few sweatshirts over here. So, yeah, I started with the clothing, but then I realized once I got to his box, I'm like, I might as well box his stuff and get it out of the way before I begin the rest. So now we're gonna move more clothing over, and obviously I need to dust. That's pretty bad. Now that I finished that small pile of clothes over by the dresser and Philip stuff, now I'm going to tackle the big pile in front of the closet. So I'm going through and sorting the items depending on where they're going to be stored. So I'm folding things and making piles, and then I'm also hanging things up as well, depending, like I said, where it belongs. So also, as I was going through and doing this, I did find a few things, a few non-clothing things, but I also found a few things that were no longer stuff that I would wear or things that no longer fit me. So I did go ahead and throw those things into a pile, but I am going to be doing a more thorough job at getting rid of stuff later on. So just did like a quick, throw things out that I knew I would not be wearing kind of thing. Also, as I was doing this, I was realizing I have way more clothes than I thought I did. I thought I did not have very much clothing, but this took the longest, was just sorting the clothes, because I have so much more than I realized. So I definitely do need to do a closet declutter eventually here. That is going to be a high priority. Also, I have, as I mentioned before, gained some weight. So there are things in my closet that I know don't fit me as well. So it is definitely overdue, but that's going to be another day. And then I moved on to the floor because there was still so much more. You guys, I have no idea how I got so many clothes. That's one of the, I guess, perks of being a reseller, but also it can be dangerous, is, I'm shopping 2 to 3 times a week for my business. And if I come across good deals for clothing for myself, I usually will buy it. So I end up with a lot of stuff, but, I pay really, really good prices for things, but still, I definitely need to stop for a while. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break for some more coffee and a snack. Anyways, it's been a while. I've been working really hard, but I want to show you guys just kind of an update on where we are. So this is my t-shirt drawer, which is much fuller than I expected it to be. Denim actually filled up this space really well too. And these are all my sweatshirts. I do have a lot of dirty clothes, so hopefully I can still fit, once I wash my clothes, everything away. But that's what I've got so far. And you guys, I already feel like I can breathe better in here, even though it is still a very big mess. Okay, let me show you the rest. All right, these piles I still need to deal with. Some of this needs hung up, some needs folded. And then I have stuff here that's folded and needs put away. This is a pile of stuff I'm getting rid of, and just some other miscellaneous piles on the floor. But look, you can walk here. That is Kira's guitar case I need to bring downstairs, and that needs to go in the kitchen. But look, shoes. I think what I'm going to do, I haven't finished clearing these off yet, but almost. I think I'm going to do like shorts on the bottom row, because I almost never wear shorts. And that row always falls down if I have too much stuff there. And then probably like pajama pants here. And then any like long sleeve tops that I don't wear as often up here. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm also hanging stuff up as I go, but I'm out of hangers, so I have to go get some from my inventory room. And yeah, it's feeling a lot better. So my laundry pile is overflowing, and I still have all of my countertops to do. But the clothing is getting dealt with, and I feel really good about how much progress I've made. But definitely time for a quick break. All right, I finished the closet, and it feels so much better in here. I still do want to move a few things in here, like the blanket and stuff that I showed you, and this stuff, but I'm gonna do that later, because I'm gonna start the laundry now. I got the kids to move their stuff out of the way so I can start a load. And then I think what I'm gonna do, because I'm running out of time, it's already noon, and I have to leave soon for the last day of the family reunion. So I think what I'm gonna do is just clear off the floor after I start that laundry, and then vacuum really good in here. And then we can work on like counter surfaces tomorrow, or when I get back. Actually, I should have time when I get back. I don't think I'll be there that late. So anyway, that's the plan for now. Let me get some laundry going. All right, I finished clearing everything off of the floor, and so now I can finally vacuum. This really needed a vacuum, and it makes such a big difference once you finally get to that step. Everything just feels so fresh after you vacuum, so I'm just going through and doing a very detailed vacuum of the whole room. Oh my gosh, you guys, this feels so much better. So floors are cleared off and vacuumed. And by the way, I haven't been able to vacuum on the sides of the bed, like on this side and that side. That's been so much like clutter there for so long. I haven't been able to really vacuum. So it already feels lighter and brighter in here. I did start one load of laundry. I obviously have a lot more to do, and I want to wash this bedding. But I need to get ready now. So we will have to do the rest later. But already, oh my gosh, doesn't it feel like a different room already? And this is so, I can breathe. Oh my gosh, floors are clear. It's like a miracle. All right, it's actually the next morning. I ended up staying at the family reunion for a while, but here is the countertop before we start on cleaning it, just giving you a close-up of what it looked like. And now I'm going through and I am wiping everything down because there was a very thick layer of dust on here. Also, sometimes things with the makeup can kind of spill and get like a residue. So just making sure everything gets a good wipe down. And then also at the same time, I'm going through and organizing it just a little bit different. I didn't really have a very good organization. Well, I did at one point, but everything slowly moved. So just getting everything where I want it and cleaned off. And now I'm moving to my little nightstand because this also was very overloaded with stuff. There was trash here. There was just random things. It's kind of a catch-all. It's like my junk drawer, but yeah, there was just a lot of stuff here. So first thing, I just want to move everything off. I was throwing the trash away, and then I just want to move everything else just out off the bed or off the desk and onto the bed for now so that I can dust it really good. And then once it is cleared off, then I am going to put things back in a little bit better organization because it, again, was very out of control here. Okay, I'm going to end this video here because I did get most of this done. It took me 2 days. I still have to finish the laundry, but I am competing with 3 teenagers for the washer dryer, so I'm going to hopefully have time to do that tomorrow. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm really happy with it. I still, again, have trash and laundry to do, but other than that, it feels so much better in here. I love the organization. I can walk in here and grab what I want. I can see what I have. It's not all in a big pile. Eventually, I would like to organize my hanging clothes better and actually, like I said before, get rid of more stuff that I just don't wear. But for a first like round through, I feel like this is so much better. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm super hot. It's really warm today, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my AC now. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.